Now that we know how the turbo ionizer works, let's take a closer look at its diagnostic and service. For the purpose of secrecy, we have removed the casing to expose the heart of the ionizer. Since little is known about the principles involved with magnetoreluctance and bipolar ionization, diagnosis can be a problem. First, connect your DVT06 to the aft end of the ionizer Uzi using adapter 65D, making sure the ambulite casing is not damaged. Begin the test by selecting model year and ions, and then run test. Any faults will be displayed in secret code on the DVT06 display. It's a simple head code, anyone can catch it. The most common mode is a Simmons rumbling below the belt line, which customers may describe as a burp or hiccup sound in the ductwork. To service the turbo ionizer, refer to Diagnostic and Repair Manual and Coloring Book and perform the ID10T using the Geiger scale to measure the ion output. Input of the capacitor reactance, if above 10, please replace the unit. If below 10, you will be directed to run a series of tests that will effectively raise the billable hours of the service department, but will perform no other useful function. All other faults should be treated as if they do not exist. And a customer should be told burping or hiccuping is normal and caused by too much electricity in their building. Well, that does it for this month's Master Tech. Be sure to watch next month when we will cover access panel removal and installation. Thank you.